Ooh, the cut is terrible on this one. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh god, is that a... Oh no, is that actually a... Oh man. Hello YouTube, I am Trainer Teo, and this is going to be the Chilling Reign booster box opening. Now, the last mini-series I did, which you can check out in the playlist right up there, was the Battle Styles booster box. Now, I really enjoyed opening that, and Chilling Reign has a lot of beautiful cards that I'd love to add to my collection, so I figured, why not get a booster box and open it? This mini-series is going to be a two-parter, so I'm going to open 18 packs in each video, which will equate the whole booster box of 36 packs. Without further ado, I hope you guys are excited for this series, just as I am. Please leave a like, leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite art is from this set, and subscribe if you guys want to see more of this. And yeah, my favorite card from this set is definitely the alternate full art of Galarian Zapdos. That's my #1 chase card. If I can pull that, I will be extremely happy, and honestly I think I could done... Wow, Stutter McGee. If I get that card, I think I can just stop collecting Chilling Reign altogether, because I'll just be satisfied with that. If I get any other version of the Zapdos, I'll be happy as well, because I think there's what, like three different versions of the Zapdos V. So yeah, I'm just gonna dive right into it, guys. Let's see what we can get. There you go. Oh man. There you go. Alright. Here we go. Whoa, I'm just gonna pop that out. Bring that in. Go like this. And here we have it. I'm just gonna count everything, make sure we have our 36 packs. I'm probably gonna speed right through this. So here we go. I'll put all the packs that I'm going to open in the back, like so. Without further ado, guys, let's dive right into it. So like I said, this is going to be a two-part series. If you guys are excited, leave a like. I'm going to probably upload this on Tuesday. Yeah, I'll upload this on a Tuesday, and then the second part is going to be uploaded on a Friday. So I hope you guys can look forward to part 2. But here we go. First pack Magic, Dark Energy, Dynatree Hill, Steenie, Karen's Conviction, Porygon, Grookey, Mareep, Rockruff, Swirlix, Deerling Reverse. Ooh, whoa, I have not seen this art. Rillaboom Rapid Strike. That is clean. That's a good way to start it. Started with a good Monkey Boy. Or excuse me, Gorilla Boy. I got 4. Go. Fighting Energy, Melanie, Frawley, Whirlipede, Snover. I like this art, very clean. Yamask, Koffing, Shuppet, Squavit, Gengar Reverse. This is a nice art as well. And a Malamar Rapid Strike. Yo, that Gengar is clean. Alright. Water Energy. Spiral Energy Rapid Strike. Peony. Lairon. Another very nice art by Hyogo Nosuki. you guys can pronounce that better, please let me know how to pronounce it in the comments. Porygon, Swirlix, Sneasel, Snover, Blitzel. That's... Oh, he's pretty trapped, isn't he? That's so funny. Scroll of Skies, Rapid Strike, and a Passimian, another cool art. I believe in the pre-release box, I forget what it's called, you can get this with a nice Chilling Rain stamp, which is really cool. So it's an awesome art. Could be mistaken though. Here we go. Next up, a card that I did not expect to really like from this set was the Blissey. I have no idea why, but the whoopsie daisy, the full art Blissey just calls to me. It's a really, really nice art. I don't know why, but I'd love to get that. Here we go. Lightning Energy, Clara, Haunter, Flannery, Quillfish Single Strike, Galarian Slowpoke, a Weedle, love this art as well, Clobbopus, Marie, Caitlyn Reverse, and ooh, Sawsbuck, non-holo. Alright, next up, my boy Galarian Zapdos. Also, I'd like to add, Galarian Zapdos is probably the best looking out of the three birds. Design-wise, it's very awesome. If you guys have any, comments about that, if you guys think the Moltres is better or the Articuno, just know that you're wrong. Zapdos is the best forever and always, so sorry about that. Thwackey, Peony, Chestplate, Spheal, Swirlix, Yamask, Castform, another Castform, Flannery Reverse, ooh, and a Blaziken V. Okay, right after Flannery, how fitting. If you guys didn't know, Flannery is a Fire-type gym leader in the Hoenn region. I believe she's the 4th gym leader that you encounter. There you go. It's a very different looking art style. I like it a lot. Here we go. There you go. Metal Energy, Weeding Gloves, Porygon 2. I like this art as well. By, oh god, I can't see, I'm blind. Nagami Nijo. Shout out to you, Nagami. Kakuna, just emanating some God of Destruction key right there. Wild. We got a Lapras. Ooh, I didn't notice. Melanie's in the background. That's dope. Deerling, Galarian Slowpoke, Coughing, Yamask, Rockruff Reverse, and ooh, Metagross V. That is awesome. Here we go. That's clean, so clean. There you go. Oh, my bad. If I had to rank the birds, I guess I would put Galarian Zapdos first. I would put Galarian Articuno second and Galarian Moltres third. And I think for their... oh, whoops, I forgot to put this card in the good pile. And I think for the Cantonian birds, I would also rank it the same. Zapdos, Articuno, then Moltres. Yeah, you guys should let me know what your ranking would be. This is a cute little Delibird. Galarian Farfetch'd, Porygon. Oh, Gallade! What? There's a Gallade in this set? Whoa, that is dope. And Galarian Weezing. Gallade is one of my favorite fighting types, so it's awesome to see it here. And the art just looks so dope. It reminds me of in the games. I forget which versions you could do it, but I think Fire Red and Leaf Green you could walk into a patch of grass and use cut, and it would cut the grass, and you wouldn't be able to get an encounter in that area for a little bit, I guess, until you you left the area and then came back. There we go, 4 from the back. Dark Energy, Crabominable, one of the most disappointing Pokemon of all time, no cap. Scroll of Piercing, Melanie, Ralts, that's really cute. Cast Form, Snover, Yamask, Coughing, Blitzel Reverse, and ooh, Banette Single Strike. Nice. Oopsie daisy. These cards almost fell. Alright. That Fire Energy, I think it's the first one I've seen today. Peonia, also the first Peonia I've seen today. Rugged Helmet, I think also the first. Snorunt, Bounsweet, Cubfu, Inkay, oh that's such a cute art. Diglett, oh, and I get it in reverse, nice. And, ooh, Serena, non-hollow. That Inkay art is super cute. He's helping out his trainer make the curry. One of the best things to come out of Sword and Shield, to be honest. I really like experimenting with different kinds of ingredients and berries and seeing what kind of curries I could make, and of course seeing my Pokemon's reaction to the curry. That was always fun. There you go. Water Energy, Caitlyn, Kakuna, God of Destruction Kakuna, my bad. Don't want to disrespect him and have him Hakaimi, Path to the Peak, Lediba, oh, very cute. Golett, Clobopus, Cast Form, Hatina, Laron Reverse, and Galarian Weezing again, non-hollow. Alright. Fix that. Here we go. Alright, so far we've got 2 hits, 2 V hits. So, hopefully, oh god, what the heck? This one did not want to get open, so maybe, just maybe, there's some power in here. Oh gosh, the cut. I'm not going to try and pay attention to that. But anyway. Fighting Energy, Agatha, Fog Crystal, Peonia, Heracross, Sobble, Inkay, Squavit, Score Bunny, Single Strike. Ooh, this pile's getting crazy. Golurk Reverse, and ooh, Tornadus V Max. Wait, you don't go there. Wow. Probably my favorite of the Genie trio in this form. I think it's like the I don't know if it's called the Genie form, but I call it the Genie form. Then there's the Therian form. I'm not a big fan of the Therian forms, to be honest, but yeah, green and purple, great color combination. Also, you wouldn't be surprised to find out that the Hulk is my favorite superhero. Go figure. But there you go. Tornadus V Max. Let's go. Alright, so we still got 3, 4, 7 packs remaining, guys. We're almost done this video. We're just over halfway. Alright. Metal Energy, Expedition Uniform, Hatcham, Flaffy, ooh, Flaffy, very cute, Shuppet, Squavit, Spheal, Swirlix, Yamask, Snover. Ooh. I get my number 2 choice, Articuno V. Oh, jeez. That is very nice. Look how cool that is. I really like Articuno when it's using its psychic powers, because I don't know if I still have... Yes, I do have the art. Here you go. You can see when its powers aren't activated, its visor is still black, and its wings are just like that frosty white. But then when it activates its psychic powers, you can just see it light up like that. Really, really, really cool. I'm a big fan of its design, I'm not gonna lie. So there you go. That's one bird. So I'm pretty happy with our pull so far. And the fact that I got a bird is just amazing, because you never know with booster boxes. I'm just happy I'm not getting any dupe Vs or VMAXs as of yet. The cut is terrible on this one. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh god, is that a... Oh no, is that actually a... Oh man, if this is the secret rare, I'm gonna be super pissed. Grass type energy. Whirlipede. Crushing Gloves. Cool. Honey. Diglett. Golett. Deerling. Sneasel. Galarian Farfetch'd. Squavit. No, you gotta be kidding me. The cut is terrible on this one. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh god, is that a... Oh no, is that actually a... Oh man. No, 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 no. Why did I say it? Why? Why? No. No, fuck. No. Son of a bitch. Oh god, the cut is horrible and there's a freaking... Oh no, dude. Oh shit. Okay, just give me a second. I gotta go get a better sleeve than the Eevee sleeves. Oh man. Let's freaking go. Okay. We are back, guys, and after a moment of you know, thinking about it, I'd rather have this miscut terrible grade card because of that than not get one at all, you know? So I'm gonna take this this huge W with the small burden of the little L. So there you go. And you know what? I never really show you guys me doing this, but it's a little dusty. I'm gonna be putting it in an Ultra Pro top loader because you know that eventually I would like to get it graded. You know what I mean? Because of the miscut, because of that little I don't know what the hell you would call that, just whitening, chunk missing. I don't know what you call it. I wouldn't see it getting more than a 7. I myself am a really tough grader on my own cards. I haven't sent anything yet to PSA or BGS or CGC or ABC or, you know, whatever the hell you call those. But, yeah, a lot of the reason, I cannot speak today, I'm so flustered. The reason why I haven't done anything yet is just because I'm afraid of my predictions / ratings being correct, you know. But here you guys go. We got our Galarian Moltres V. This was my 3rd sought after bird, and I talked so much crap, you know. Lo and behold, he came to gift me and curse me. Right? Focus. There you go. And curse me. All the other little whitening you see, like that or whatever, isn't there. It's just this mark. But yeah, as I've said, the cut is pretty atrocious, but I will live with it because this will live on in my collection forever and ever and ever. And it will also live on in this video forever and ever and ever and ever. So yeah, that was, oof, Oof. I did not expect that. I'll be 100% honest with you guys. As a secret rare, I was expecting some rainbow rare or maybe a gold card like Urn of Vitality or something. You know, those the cards that you see most YouTubers pull because it's like the more common secret rare to pull, right? Just wanted to update you guys. As you saw in the video, I was talking about secret rares. I was mistaken. I didn't look at the number of the card right down there, as you can. Whoops! Right down there, as you can see, it's number 177 of 198. So this isn't a secret rare. That was my mistake. Sorry for saying it was. It isn't. You'll see in part 2 that we do pull a secret rare there. But this card, oh my god! Can I get a like for this card, please? Thanks, guys. Please keep watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. But we still have a hell of a lot of packs, you know. We could still get full arts. We can still, I don't know if we can get more alternate arts, but I think we can still get full arts. So part 2, or maybe, hell, we still got more packs here, right? So even the rest of this video can still be stacked, right? So without further ado, I'm just gonna move on with the video because I've kept you guys here long enough. But yeah, here we go. Oh, I put this in the wrong pile again. I'm gonna have to go through this. Oh god, look at this pile of cards, guys. Let me know how you guys organize your cards, because I keep all my cards, and I basically fill out my binders with the cards that I get, and then all the excess I just chuck them into tins and leave them and forget them, just store them in my closet, you know. But if you guys have any ideas of things I can do with them, I know a lot of people like sell in bulk. If someone in the comments, in the comment section, can let me know what they do. Oh, Spirit Tomb, lovely. Oh, the Ampharos. As a lot of my subscribers may know, or if you've watched a lot of my previous videos, you'll know that Ampharos is my favorite electric type. It is just the best. The floofiest boy. Or girl. I always like to get a shiny Ampharos and call it Frenchie, based off of Grease. If you guys have not seen Grease, I recommend you watch it. It is a classic. I believe I just went off on a tangent, and now I forgot what I was saying. So let's just keep opening cards, you know? I'll stop talking. Electric Energy, Abominable, the Abomination, Doctor, Ledian, ooh, Starry Night, Score Bunny, Shuppet, Kugfu, Blitzel, Quillfish, Rugged Helmet, and Zebstrika. It looks like Zebstrika evolved and finally escaped. It's Icy Tomb. There we go. So we still have 3 packs remaining. The 2 birds we're missing. Actually, no, we got our Articuno already. So now we're just missing a version of Zapdos. And you know what? If I can get that full art Zapdos, this booster box, oh my god, best booster box in the world, I swear. Here we go. I love how I called the cut being atrocious and then said that I hope it wasn't the secret rare, and then it ended up being the secret rare. Oh god. Only me. I am blessed and cursed all at the same time. Celio. Ooh, Lycanroc Single Strike. That is a dope art. Shout out to Hidden Fates. If you guys watched my, I think it was my first Hidden Fates video, I pulled the shiny Lycanroc. It was very, very cool. So this is our second, whoops, to last pack, guys. All right. So we have a Fighting Energy, a Rugged Helmet, we have the Crushing Gloves, a Curlia, nice, Blitzel, Aron, Deerling, Delibird, Larvesta, Castform, ooh, and another Serena, non-holo. Now for our last pack, the boy Zapdos. Can we get a full art Zapdos or the full art alt art? That would just be amazing. There's no there's no whitening on the back of this card, so I don't think it's going to be anything good. I think it's just going to be a regular holo. So here we got a Fighting Energy. These cards feel weird. Like, the one in the back is too long. Oh god. Yeah, the card in the back. Oh god, look at the cut. What the hell? Karen's Conviction, Echoing Horn, Castform. I think we got something in the back, I'm not gonna lie. Snorunt, Weedle, Castform, Quillfish, Karen's Conviction. Whoa. Rapid Strike Urshifu. Yo, what the heck? Why is this art so clean? Well, there you guys have it. That was our video. Alright? We had some amazing pulls. And among the pulls, we got some crazy stuff. Alright? So here we go. We got a Blaziken V, Metagross V, Tornadus VMAX, Articuno V, which I really like, and the creme de la creme, Galarian Moltres V. Let's go, guys. But with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed part 1 of this unboxing, because hey, we still have half the booster box left, you know? And at this point I feel like just leaving this half because yeah, I'm really rooting for that Zapdos, you know? If I don't get that Zapdos, I'm gonna be one sad boy. But you know what? It is what it is. This booster box opening has been extremely fun. Our pulls have been fire. And I hope you guys can, you know, stick around and get to see part 2. And I promise in part 2 I will give away about 10 code cards for you guys. So yeah, with that being said, I will catch you guys later. See ya.